my clip what? Good morning. Rams is getting ready. So if you can hear brushing and flossing. I have allergies. Kids are all up. Rams is gonna make them breakfast. Then head to work. I'm gonna get dressed and get hopefully working out before he steps out the door while the kids are eating their breakfast. My mom's not coming today. I'm gonna take the kids to her house because we don't have school today. I have a nail appointment, and then I'm gonna come and clean the bathrooms. And yeah, and then she'll bring them to me later. So we'll see what else we do, but that's pretty much the plan. So yeah, what time is it right now?
6:59.
Good timing. Okay, now I have to go hunt down my clip. Oh, it's right here. I have to put my hair like at the top of my head because when I lay on the mat, it won't get in the way. We're just doing black on black today. Okay, everything's tucked in.
Mommy, where's it done? Oh, that's it, booby. That's so tiny but so sticky.
It gets stuck to the toilet.
Not again.
Okay, bye. Oh, I'm.
Hey, Mama.
Yeah. What happened? Yeah. Finally done. That whole clip is 50 minutes for me to stretch and do a 30-minute bike ride. And my stretch was only like 10 minutes. So those other 10 minutes, I was like delegating fights.
Do you yummy?
Of course I love you.
What's this?
Eye drops.
Why do you use eye drops?
For your eyes when they feel dry or they feel tired.
Or the red.
Or they're red, yeah.
Okay, can I have some?
You want some deodorant?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on.
Can I do it by myself?
Yeah.
It hurts.
No, it doesn't hurt. Okay.
Bop, bop.
Okay, so you don't want me to do your hair then?
Yes.
Smells good. Look, smell it. Look straight, please. Delish. What do you think?
Perfect.
Perfect.
I like it.
Ooh, she cute. You're clowning now. I'm waiting for this guy to go. Oh, he's just backing it up. Garage isn't open, right? Okay, good. Like 10 minutes to get there. I don't even know what nails I'm gonna get. Just have like some French tips. I'm gonna get them shorter. Okay, done. I got them like chrome, shortened them, did a little oval shape.